Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com CRO and talk about Bitcoin as well. So without further ado, we are at 11,000 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded lion NFT and many more giveaways to come on the road to that. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, we are back touching $26,000, almost below $26,000, trading the $25,000 range. I do expect us to reach that point. Bitcoin dominance level coming up barely, about 0.1% since yesterday. When you exclude stablecoins, was trading at about 50.3%. I expect that to absorb more liquidity as the time gets closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving. BNB kind of getting a little bit of a recovery since basically there was a big FUD attack on Binance. I do want to say, guys, that you shouldn't, just because we had all that FUD attack on crypto.com CRO, the last thing we need is for everybody to attack Binance. I think that that's the complete wrong way to look at the scenario if you're a cryptocurrency investor. You should be backing up every single crypto exchange as long as they're not scamming people. Because the more we are all in this for one common goal of mass adoption, and as a crypto investor, that's definitely what you want. That's how you will make huge gains on your investments. We need to be on the same page in backing these companies, these huge. It's so innovating what they're doing, innovative, and they're on the cutting edge of technology of finance. And we need to be there to support them so people can realize that this space is not a joke. Because I'll tell you what, guys, there's a lot of people out there, especially in the traditional finance world. I talk to them on a daily basis, and they think that cryptocurrency is a joke. Well, obviously, they'll come around. It was just like how people thought that the internet was a joke when it first came out, and when computers came out, that they wouldn't get any traction. But obviously, we know where we're at in today's day and age. But it is something to keep in mind. You shouldn't be attacking these exchanges and these companies. You should be supporting them. That's what you really should be doing. You should be hoping that they do well. You should be hoping for their success, because their success is your success when you're investing in the cryptocurrency market. So let's take a look over at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has capitulated down, touching that $25,000 price level, just barely below $26,000. I expect that move to play out a little bit more. We're testing this once support that we blasted through, and we're trying to resume off. We're testing it. If we get a rejection, I expect a move to 25,300, guys. I expect us to try to close out this wick right here at 24,000. It's just usually how it plays out when you have a big capitulation and the wick gets bought up. Usually we slowly make our way to filling that wick on whatever term time frame we're looking at. On the daily, we'll probably close it. There's a high likelihood of that, just to close out these wicks. I expect something like that to play out before we get to the Bitcoin halving. So I am leaning a little bit bearish right now, guys. I am definitely leaning bearish. We are getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, guys. Closer and closer every single day. But I do expect a little bit of sideways to the downside pressure before we get to this Bitcoin halving, before we can start actually talking about the new bull market, the new bull cycle. But we need this washout. We need more of this price action to the downside to really spook people. But I do think when it comes to altcoins over on CRO we're looking at here now, I think that a lot of the selling pressure is kind of up. I really do. We made that little chair formation that I was talking about before we did it, and it's now complete. I do expect to probably, unfortunately, come down to 5 cents. I do expect daily candle closes to reach that point unless we have a big news event like this Bitcoin spot ETF approval this week. Potentially it could happen, but I'm leaning towards it's going to get pushed off. But guys, if you like these quick updates and you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. I just like giving you guys quick updates and keeping you in the know for where I'm seeing the cryptocurrency space and where I think we're headed here. But also, if you stuck around this far, please consider becoming a member on the channel. It helps us out a lot. All you got to do is go below this video or to our homepage, click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 YouTube members, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each month to one loyal member for the next 10 months leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Guys, super excited about that. It's $5,000 worth of Bitcoin that we're giving away to our loyal members. Love giving back. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.